In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BNB for your trading fees in Binance. This is a fantastic way to not only save on fees, but also to leverage the benefits of the Binance platform more effectively. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Binance app installed on your device. Go ahead and open the app and then log in with your credentials. It's important to remember to keep your login information secure. If you're using a public device, ensure that you log out after every use. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon. This is represented by three horizontal lines situated at the top left of your screen. Tap on this icon to reveal a list of options. From this menu, navigate down to the settings section. Go ahead and tap on settings to open the menu. Now, while you're in the settings area, look for the option labeled using BNB. Tap this to proceed to the next step. Here's where you'll find the toggle option to utilize BNB for paying your trading fees. Toggle on the option that says use BNB to pay fees. What this does is enable your account to use BNB tokens to cover any trading fees you incur, and as an added bonus, it often comes with a discount. Once you've toggled this feature on, you're all set. Your trading fees will now be automatically deducted in BNB at a discounted rate. This can be a great way to save some of your trading funds while also utilizing any BNB you hold in your account. It's a simple adjustment but can lead to significant savings over time, especially if you trade frequently. And that's it. It's a straightforward process that takes just a minute or two. It's worth noting that using BNB for your fees not only provides discounts but also encourages participation in the Binance ecosystem, which can be advantageous if you plan on engaging with other Binance offerings. If you encounter any issues while trying to follow these steps, double check each action to make sure everything is entered correctly. If necessary, you can check out customer support on the Binance app or website for additional help. On a quick final note, always stay updated with Binance's terms and conditions regarding the discount rates, as these can change over time. Keeping an eye on their announcements can ensure that you're making the most out of the services they offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped simplify the process of using BNB for your trading fees. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips on utilizing Binance efficiently. Happy trading!